This is an example of how to use the star chart to find sky coordinates, and we'll start with an example of my favorite planet, Mars. Now, this is the first star chart that you have, and it does not have any grids or any degree markings. It only has directions. These directions are important for orientation. Now, the second chart I've given you actually has an overlay of a sky coordinate grid. So let's go back to Mars and we'll take a look at the grid to help us understand. Now notice the azimuth coordinates go all the way around. This looks like we're going counterclockwise, but you have to look and notice that it says facing east to the left. That gives us the indication of which direction we need to go around to find the proper azimuth coordinates. Don't be fooled. The altitude coordinates come from the outside in, and they meet in the middle at 90 degrees. So you can see the scale goes from 4 different directions to help us. So let's find Mars. Let's start at 0 and we go all the way around until we find Mars. There it is. We can estimate its location to be approximately 108 degrees. And for altitude, we find the location. We're lucky it intersects at 30 degrees. So our sky coordinate reading for Mars is 108 degrees azimuth and 30 degrees altitude.